Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be making a homemade ice cream, mango ice cream. Alright, these simple steps are my own version. There are a lot of versions out there, but this one is the simplest among them all. Before I start, let me introduce first myself. I am Anjun, also known as Ewan, the fat kid outside. Alright, so let's get started. Are you ready? I have here all the ingredients prepared already. I have 2 all-purpose cream, chilled overnight. We have here 1 can of condensed milk. And we also have here 1 can of evaporated milk. Then we have here things we need. This one for slicing, knife. Then I also have here beater or mixer. Beater or mixer. Beater. Like your girlfriend. Beater to you. Okay, so first we have to prepare the mango, ripe mango. We have here ripe mango. We have to slice it. Since I have no blender, we have to manually slice it and make it to crush it. Okay, so let's get started. So I have to slice the mango. I used 2 mangoes. Others used 1 kilo, but I have only 2. Okay, so I have to scrape this one. So this is the most time-consuming part because I have no blender. My blender broke, like your heart. It broke when you broke up with your girlfriend or boyfriend. Then there are big, it's not even, so I have to do like this. Anyway, it depends on you and it depends on me. This is homemade and I'll be the one to eat this one and my wife. So it's up to us. I'm just sharing it to you. I'm just sharing it so that you will learn, you can make your own. Alright, so we have to put the all-purpose cream. It's chilled overnight. Again, chilled. Don't freeze it. Just chill. Kita is good. Look at that. That's the result. Oh. Wow. Then after this, we have to mix it. But I need tissue. Tissue, please. Okay, so I have to put this one. Okay, I'm starting to mix this one. You have to do this until it is thickened. Okay? Until it is thickened. Okay? You have to be patient in this part. We will do this until it is thickened. So it's already thickened. Then we have to stop this, and the texture or the consistency is like this. Okay. Then we have to add the mango. So after putting the mango, we have to put the condensed milk. We have to open it. I have no can opener. We have to do it like this. You know, it's homemade. But I will open it and pour it here. Okay. After putting the mango and the condensed milk, we have to put a little bit of evap, optional. up to you if you will add evap. But in my experience of doing this one for how many times, I have to put evap. Okay? Then a little bit of vanilla. It's up to you. Optional. Mix it. You have to mix it well. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's done. So after mixing the ingredients, I have to transfer it to another container and freeze it for about 6 hours or more. Then I'll transfer it here. Recycle. In this quarantine time, we have to recycle things. So I'm using this one. It's yummy. Okay, so I transferred it in another container. I have to cover it and put it in the freezer for about 6 hours or more. That's the simplest way of making ice cream at your home. Alright guys, after 6 hours or overnight of freezing my homemade ice cream, here it is. It's very delicious. Okay, so let's try it. Let's try this one. Okay. You want some? Wow, perfect. This is my first time to make homemade ice cream, and for me, I love myself. It's very delicious. This is my favorite mango ice cream. So I hope you learned something from this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Till the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.